So hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make this wonderful, lovely, low poly tree. And as always, we start with the new document. And here we're going to delete the default cube as we will be not needing that. Instead, what we're going to add is a mesh and we're going to add a cylinder. Let's also change the amount. We don't need so much. Let's go for something like 16 because, well, it should be low poly. Next up is, of course, we're going to change the size. You're going to press S and, of course, now we're going to scale this one a little bit upwards. But this, you see, it is scaling everything. So we're just going to press scale and we just want to scale it in the Z-axis. There we go. This is now looking a little bit better. Next up, of course, a trunk of a tree is of course not gray. So let's go and give it a wonderful material. In the material view, click onto new. And as you see, it is, well, you see nothing because currently we are not in the material view, meaning we're going to click onto the material view and now it is displaying the material. Currently it is white, but of course that is something we can change. Let's go and grab it around an orange and make it a little bit darker. There we go. Now we have a wonderful brown. The problem is, of course, a tree normally does not reflect any light. So let's go into the roughness and put it to 1 so it does not reflect any light. This is now looking a little bit better. Next up, of course, what we need is the actual tree top thing, the stuff that's green. So we're going to add another mesh. In this case, we're going to add a cone. Let's wonderfully move this one up with the G and then on the Z-axis, there we go, and scale this one up because currently it is a little bit too small. So just gonna, press S again and scale it outwards around. Let's see, this should be all right. And again, we're going to make a new material. This time we're gonna make this one green. Let's go for a dark green, and again, like the trunk, it should not reflect any light. So we're just gonna scale this one up. And well, currently we only have one of these sets, so we're just gonna select this thing, gonna press Shift and then the D button, so we duplicate the current one. We're going to let go of the right side of our mouse. We're just gonna press G again and on the Z-axis again and move it up a little bit. Now we're just gonna press these two and we're gonna again duplicate it, let go, move it upwards, and there we have it. Let's also make this one a little bit more deviating because currently it is also always the same, everything. So let's just select these things. There we go. We're going to join them together. So right click and join. And we're going to the edit mode. Enable a little bit of partial editing. Let's go and select the whole thing. There we go. And now we're just going to scale this one up a little bit here or down. Let's look what it's looking best. I think they're just going to like this, and there we go. Maybe scale this one up a little bit, and well, done is our wonderful low poly tree. I hope you like this one. Maybe subscribe or something, it would help me out, and bye.